I love seafood egg drop soup. It's tasty, healthy, and there's never a drop left. Ready in 10 minutes. Stick around, I have a cooking tip at the end you won't want to miss. Chop scallions and bok choy into small pieces. In a bowl, crack eggs into it. Whisk until smooth. In a small bowl, mix cornstarch. You can replace it with arrowroot starch or sweet potato starch and water to make a slurry. This helps to thicken the soup and give it a soaky texture. In a pot over high heat, pour unsalted homemade chicken stock into the pot. Season it with salt. Bring it to a simmer. Do you make your own chicken stock or do you have a go-to brand that you love? Comment below and share with us. Toss in the bok choy and cook until softened for about 30 seconds. I love using bok choy because the green pairs beautifully with the yellow egg ribbons. Plus it's super healthy. Add shrimp and scallops. Cook for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Stir in the cornstarch slurry and let the soup thicken and come to a complete boil. Reduce to medium heat. Slowly add the beaten eggs in a circular motion. Increase the heat back to high. Here's the tip that always works. For thicker egg ribbons, wait for a few seconds before stirring. For thinner ones, stir as you pour. So which one do you prefer? Drop a comment below, I'd love to know. Add the chopped scallions, a dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. And that's it! A simple, delicious seafood egg drop soup. It's way better than takeout. To make it a meal, pair with my quick and easy fried rice. Click here for the recipe. Absolutely delicious. The shrimp is bouncy, the egg is fluffy, and the soup is full of umami taste. Comment below and share with us what is your favorite type of soup. If you like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!